everyone, time is currently 4:30, and I mean, I'm assuming it's the title and thumbnail, but we're going to Amsterdam today. I got like 4 hours of sleep, so it's gonna be a good day though, because we going to Amsterdam. So I know we got no cool transition for the fit today, but here it is, you know how it be. And then check the kicks too. We've made it to the train station. What kind of creature is that? It kind of looks like a bear with wings. There's a Five Guys. I want Five Guys to be like the burgers. Paris is just one big One Piece reference. Bro, we're departing on the Grand Line. Alright, so we just got our gate number for our train. Number 14. Getting in line for right now. This huge line. It's 14 right up there. Alright, we found our seats, bro. These are so nice and comfy. Alright, so our train has begun moving. Can't really see anything. But we're gonna just be here for the next like 3 hours.
I tell you guys to be in the floor.
Are you recording us?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, we got a bathroom check, you know. Got the mirror, obviously. Got faucet, toilet, Oh, I activated the faucet on accident with my juicy ass. Brussels, Belgium for our first stop of the train ride, and the buildings out here are very cool, unique. Alright, so now that we're about halfway through our train ride, I think it's a perfect time to finally get the bingo board going. Let's just get right into it. Shake, 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 shake. Get R2. Get a good handle on this. Here we go. Got an Amsterdam related tattoo. I would love to do that. It's gonna look so cool, especially next to the Eiffel Tower. Now for our second one, let's see what we get. We got I-5. Alright, let's get a good grip on this one. Here we go. Have a paper boat race. Amsterdam has that little river system going through it. In my head, I'm just imagining all of us making our own paper boats and just racing. And honestly, I suck at origami, so I'm most likely gonna have to like look up how to do that. And for the last one for today, we got S3. There you go. Find a flower of every color in the rainbow. Well, Netherlands in general has a lot of beautiful looking flowers and just scenery like that. We just got off the train. We're now officially in Amsterdam. Wow. This looks incredible. Oh my god.
Ron's taking photos.
And then there's that bitch. already off the bat. We got red, we got purple. All right, so we found green flowers too. All right, we got yellow, we got orange too. So what do I need blue? So straight, it's all pixelated. Looks straight out of a video game. Guys, it's me in Easton. It's the perfect duo. Entered this duck store. It is full to the brim of ducks. I'm thinking of maybe getting Easton this duck. It's Batman. He likes Batman. And there's our blue flowers. We've already gotten one of our goals for Amsterdam. That was just too easy. What other food? This looks delicious. So I just randomly walked into this tattoo parlor, seeing if they can get me a tattoo. Probably gonna do the 3 axes, just because I've seen the 3 axes everywhere here. I mean, it's their flag, it's like their symbol, so. Alright, so we just got done with the tattoo. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see it, but we got it done. So already that's two stickers we could put on the bingo board. Gotta do that soon so I don't forget. Alright, we got another copy to try out. But
all the ones you've had, what do they rate?
Oh, this is definitely the best one.
Okay.
I mean, it tastes the least like coffee, I feel like.
Oh, I like your tattoo.
Thank you.
Where's your tattoo? Show me.
I just got it done.
Ah!
So we just got off the cruise tour on the boat ride. It was honestly really cool. I really loved looking around at all the different buildings and stuff. Oh my god, bro. Look at this pancake. I got some Nutella to go with it. We got that syrup. We got that powdered sugar. Oh, this is about to be some bomb-ass pancakes. That's so good.
I think we've reached a low point in society. The Skibbity Toilet Funko Pop.
I want to show that. I'm gonna send that to Dad.
So dumb. So we just got back from the red light district. Very short walk. We just walked right through it. If I wasn't with my family, just by myself, would have been a lot longer of a stay, you know. So another bathroom check. I got these cool things going on, these vines. One piece. But check out the best part. Oh, yes. I'll let you know how this goes. We finally made it back to Paris from Amsterdam.
No.
What did those two?
6, 7.
Yeah?
What? 6, 7.
So we just made it back to the Airbnb, and oh my god, laying in bed feels so nice. It's so nice, but I'm so ready for my bed. My bed's just so much softer than this bed, dude. I'm literally gonna dream about me sleeping in my bed. It's that nice, trust me. While we were out in Amsterdam, we accomplished 2 different challenges on the bingo board, which means we get to put 2 new stickers on. Right, first we did find the flower in every color in the rainbow. Boom! It was so easy. Very, very much underestimated how quickly I'd get that. Our second task, get an Amsterdam related tattoo. Boom! That is 2 new goals completed today. Alright, all you beautiful people. Hope you guys have a good night or a good day, whatever time it is for you. But if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe down below to see more videos of me. It's tomorrow. That got right. Tomorrow's probably going to be the last video of my Paris trip. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.